In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your phone number to your Amazon account. This is an important step to ensure your account security and enhance your shopping experience on Amazon. Adding a phone number allows you to receive important updates and alerts directly to your mobile device, making account recovery easier in case you forget your password. Let's start by heading to the Amazon website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account using your email address and password. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step. Next, you'll want to navigate towards the Account and Lists section. You can either hover over this with your mouse or give it a quick click. Once the drop-down menu appears, you should see an option labeled Your Account. Go ahead and select that. Now that you're on the Your Account page, you'll notice several options before you. What you're looking for here is the Login and Security section. Go ahead and click on that. In some cases, Amazon may prompt you to re-enter your password to access these security settings. This extra step is there to ensure that it's really you making these changes and helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Simply enter your password again if prompted, and you'll be on your way. Within the Login and Security section, you'll want to locate the mobile phone number field. Depending on your current settings, it might be labeled as Phone. Once you find it, look next to it, and you'll see an option to either edit or add a phone number. Click on that, and now it's time to enter your phone number. Be sure to correctly include your country or area code, as this ensures Amazon sends the verification details to the right place. After entering your phone number, Amazon typically sends a verification code via SMS to the number you provided. Go ahead and check your phone for this text message. It should arrive momentarily. Once you get the message, take a moment to enter the verification code into the specified field on the Amazon webpage. This step confirms that the phone number truly belongs to you and it's active. Once the system recognizes the code, you're nearly done. Lastly, make sure to save or confirm these changes. You might see a save button or something that says, Confirm. Clicking this will finalize the addition of your phone number to your Amazon account, and you're all set. Congratulations! You've successfully added a phone number to your Amazon account. This small but significant step adds an extra layer of protection and utility to your account, helping you stay informed and secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks.